Are you struggling, living paycheck to paycheck? Are you working a dead-end job that's getting you nowhere? Are you behind on your bills with no solution in sight? Are you doing the same thing over and over with no results? Here's an opportunity that will change your life significantly. Start living the life you deserve. Start spending quality time with your family. Time to escape the rat race and living life on your own terms. Click on the link in the bio and start your path to financial freedom. Time waits on no one. Your time is now.
Simply click the link below to learn more.